Hi, my name is Wendy with WTI, and I want to share with you this cozy, chic, glamorous, luxurious blanket. First off, if you're looking for something that's cozy and warm but also looks really stylish in your home, I recommend the BATTILO home blanket. So it is a knit, so you can kind of see there's like that knitted pattern, and it's like an opposite double side. So this side we see the geometric shape in this mustard yellow, and then it's outlined in white, but if we flip it around, we get the opposite. So you can go 2-for-1 trending, which is pretty cool. Also, the blanket size is 50 inches by 60 inches. So you can kind of see me standing there. I'm 5'3", so it's kind of big on me, which is perfect to snuggle and get all burritoed into. So clean it in cold water and then tumble dry on low, or just lay out flat and let it air dry. So it's a great blanket. I've had this blanket here for 3 years, and honestly, it's my TV best friend. I love cuddling in it, and it's super, super warm being double-sided. So if you're looking for something to trend up your home with maybe a mustard yellow or another color from the BATTILO home design, I really recommend this blanket. It's cute, it's trendy, and I love it. I think you should get one and be cozy too, but that's my point of view.